Hey friends, you are watching Sargo Education. In this video, you will learn resolve into factor polynomial, that is combine method. If you don't know about polynomial and resolve factor, please see my previous video. Video link given in description below. Today we solve two maths, that is this and this. Now try to solve first one. In this math, first we cannot use formula here. We can take a common of these both term, that is 2x square. Then it remains here 4x square and here minus a square. After that, we use formula in this term. That is 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus here, and a can be written as a square. Then 2x square, and here we use formula a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write 2x plus a into 2x minus a. Okay, that is the answer of our first math. Now we will see our second math. In this math, here it is 4x square minus 4xy and y square and minus z square. In first three term, we use formula. Do you know which formula? Okay, the formula is a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now we can rewrite this term as following formula. Okay, we can write it 2x square minus 2 into 2x into y plus y whole square, and remain minus z square is here. Now it is look like this formula, so we can write it as this term. Okay, we can write it as 2x minus y whole square and remain minus z square. But do you know this term is look like this? Which? It is look like this. Another formula, that is written here, a square minus b square. If we rewrite this term as a and it is as b, we can write it 2x minus y whole square minus z square. Then the formula is 2x minus y plus z and 2x minus y minus z. That is the answer. But which is this combined method? Why we can call it combined method? In here, in this portion, it is a formula and it is a common term, that is our binomial term. And in this math, we use formula here once and again formula here once. That is 2 times formula is here. So it is called combined method. But some case you cannot apply combined method directly. Do you know which type of polynomial of that? Okay, now I am writing a polynomial here, that is y square minus 6y minus 91. Try to solve this math. But if you don't know how to solve this math, please see our another video. If you like our video, please do comment, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.